Okay, the way you put the paint on the wall is just as important as the way you smear it around. I want you to remember that your rag is basically what is doing the painting of the faux finish. All the paintbrush does is just put the paint on the wall. But I do kind of want to go in a direction of, I don't want to just make it a straight line like this. We might have some problems with that. So what I kind of want to do is put it on where it's going to be kind of an organic flow to the painting itself. Take the rag and I'm going to start smearing it around, working in the middle, picking it up with the rag and taking it all around the wall, real lightly. Then I'm going to work with my edges, push it out. Okay. And then I'm going to go to a next spot. Let that dry a little bit, and then if you don't like the way, let's just say I just got started with this, I can tell that it's just a little bit too light. I'm going to add a little bit more paint, tweak it up a little bit, make it a tad bit darker so it's not coming off so easily. And then if it dries on you too fast, okay, then your rag is a little bit too dry. You need to dip it in the bucket again and get a little bit moist so that you can get that rubbed around. It is the water in the rag that is actually doing the painting for you and creating these wonderful effects with the paint.